Craving the outdoors with a dash of comfort? Glamping is the perfect blend of adventure and luxury, and contrary to popular belief, it doesn't have to burn a hole in your pocket. With a dash of creativity and smart planning, you can embark on a budget-friendly glamping journey that's both rejuvenating and refreshing. Selecting the perfect location is the first step. Scour through available options for campsites that offer reasonable rates without a compromise on amenities. A range of glamping options are on offer, from safari tents to yurts and cabins, in both public and private campgrounds. A bit of research and comparison can lead you to a cost-effective yet idyllic setting for your adventure. Glamping gear need not always come at a hefty price. You can tap into your creative side and DIY some glamping essentials. Consider inflatable mattresses or cushions for seating, string lights or solar-powered lanterns for a cozy nighttime ambiance. You can repurpose items from home like rugs or curtains to add a touch of comfort to your outdoor abode. Eating out while glamping can escalate costs, so why not plan your meals and cook your own food? A portable grill or camping stove can be your best friend to whip up delicious meals outdoors. Prepping ingredients in advance can save time and ensure you have all you need. Pack meals that are easy to cook but satisfying, like pasta dishes, sandwiches, and snacks. Cooking amidst nature can be a truly fulfilling experience. Being closer to nature is a perk of glamping. Plan outdoor activities that are low cost or free, like hiking, swimming in natural bodies of water, stargazing, or birdwatching. Carry along binoculars, a camera, or a journal to capture these moments. Packing wisely is key to a successful budget glamping trip. Make a checklist of essential items such as clothing, toiletries, first aid kit, and camping gear. Opt for multi-purpose items to save space and weight. Consider renting or borrowing gear you don't own to cut down on expenses. Remember to pack reusable items like water bottles and utensils to reduce waste and save on disposables. To sum it all up, glamping on a budget is about creativity, planning, and enjoying the simplicity of outdoor living. By choosing affordable locations, DIYing gear, cooking your own meals, indulging in nature-based activities, and packing smartly, you can create a luxurious camping experience without breaking the bank. So, it's time to grab your tent, gather your essentials, and set off on a budget-friendly glamping adventure. Happy glamping!